Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Capture pages. What is a capture page? Why do we need one? What the hell is one anyway? All is going to be revealed. Right, if you've tried to get a link out from JVZoo or Warrior Plus, and you've tried to share it on Facebook, he won't let you because they know you're trying to spam somebody with a link and sell something. So you need the capture page so you can share it. Okay. So if you're doing CPA marketing, that's all you need is a capture page. Okay. So if you collect the email into your own list, guess what? You can collect the email and retarget them with other products. You can actually brand yourself with the emails and give them good information, and they get to know, like, and trust you. Clever stuff, this. So let me give you some examples of capture pages. There are free ones like Wix and Weebly, but you must bear in mind, take into consideration, the free ones have got Wix written on it and Weebly written on it, so they know you're not a serious marketer. Are you a serious marketer or not? If you are, you need to pay a monthly premium for your capture pages. Now, I've used all of these. Okay, Online Sales Pro, pretty easy to use, and you've got a phone app. So if you get a lead, it pings, and that one is $47 a month minimum. Conversely is another one that will help you actually word your capture page, so you can type in what you want and it will come up with a good tagline. That one is $37 a month or $97 for the year. Now, bear in mind, you need the email system on top of that, which is about a tenner, 12 quid, $15. So that will add that onto these. So instead of, say, 50 a month, it'll be, say, 65. And instead of 37, say 40, that's 55. Builderall is also really good because the lowest price you can get is $30 a month. So if you use it for yourself, that's the only one you need. Okay. If you just want the website and the capture pages and the emails, you can actually use that one because it's cheaper than these two. Look, if you want all the tools, because there's chatbots and everything else included, that one's $70 a month with an extra 50 to be an affiliate, but I really like that one. So capture pages, that's it, guys. Why you need one is because you need to retarget the links. So if you just get the sales page without the capture page, you can't share it on Facebook unless you put some little spaces in between, and that's quite difficult. But you need to start your own list so you can start retargeting them, which I will go through in the next session about emails. See you on the next one. Bye, guys.